This is from the official Apple repair shop, the self-service repair website, and this side also. ISO keyboard, product of China. That's the part number, information. It's for the MacBook Air M5. Let's see what's inside. Let's see how this goes. Oh, there is even another box inside the box. I already changed the Y and Z keys, but I still have some kind of these German letters, and I bought this from Amazon Germany because it was available first. It was cheaper than the Greek version here, and also the Greek version had the Greek letters here. I wanted to have it English International, and this is the ISO version. The enter keys and the shift, I will not change this. Tiny box compared to all the packaging. That was a lot of packaging for this small box. Made in China. That's the model information, and this is the description. Keycap ISO Super Kit and midnight. I hear the keys. How they look like. Oh, this is a bit shiny here. Smell test. Smells like clean boxy paper. These are the keys. I will smell the keys also. They don't smell like anything, just a bit box maybe. And I don't know, this is paper. So this is paper here. And it's like a seal. But it's actually, I can put it back. So it's, you remove it, but you can also put it back. Yes, so this is the Super Kit. First of all, on the sides here, you have like coordinates A0, A1, B2, so you can really know exactly the coordinates. And I almost lost one key here. I have to be careful not to drop them. It says made in China, Sun Rex. Interesting. Let's smell it. Okay, they don't smell like much anything. So I have here, I see Romanian. These are Romanian letters. I see some maybe Nordic languages, like this one. I think there is German also here. I see these two dots above the O. I don't know exactly what it is. With the hash here, so this is one of the keys I want. I'll take this one out. Come out from this thing. Okay, so I'll show you this key here, and yeah, it looks the same as the key I removed before. The Y and Z, it looks pretty much the same. So when you insert the keys, make sure that this is going to be on the top, closer to the screen, and this part is going to be closer to the trackpad, and this will slide in a bit like an angle, and then you press it on this side. It doesn't have the link bar keys. The link bar keys are the enter and the space, so I guess those keys will be in the dedicated for each language. I'm not sure. Thanks for watching.